Good morning and welcome. It's a perfect day for this momentum occasion.
Today we had a groundbreaking and it's super exciting.
1, 2, 3. Turn those shovels.
Well, our Thorogood Elementary was 60 years old, and although we loved our building and it certainly served us very well for 60 years, we were definitely in need of a new, updated version.
Thorogood Elementary School, together with the replacement of Princess Anne Middle School and the ongoing modernization of John B. Dye Elementary School, represent the 32nd, 33rd, and 34th school facilities modernized or replaced since 1997.
This new building is going to be absolutely incredible. There will be opportunities literally built into every square inch of the school for innovative learning, experimentation, and collaboration.
We hope in 2020 to be opening the door to a new set of Thorogood Elementary children.
I'm very excited because I feel like the new students at Thorogood will have a good learning privilege.
I know it's going to be a huge opportunity for all of our students and future students to get an enriched learning and learn more about certain things, and it's going to be amazing.